that. Let's go. Come on. And pivot, Gael. There you go. Come on. Either 90, 180. Got to be elusive with your head movement and your feet. Come on. Bring them hands up to your, right to your eyebrows. Let's go. Come on. Let's get it. Remember, come off that head movement. And try not to let them touch you at all, Levi, and just keep outscoring them. See, that's what I'm talking about. Now you got this shit, now you got it under control, you know what I mean? I like that, that was good. Don't get stuck when you get stung. You gotta keep moving. Turn that hook over a little more. Don't slap with it. What are you gonna do? How do you deal with the jab? Body, get that body. Come on, counter right back, Levi. See how you just moved in? Yeah, you see how you did that? That's what I'm talking about. Don't let them touch you, Levi. Don't throw both hands when you jump in. One hand at a time, one hand blocking. If you miss 2 jabs, throw 3. Don't wait for him. You gotta stay moving. You can't stay still. When you're the shorter guy, you gotta stay moving your feet, moving your head. Weave in, slip in, weave in. Don't back up. See that? Now you learning. You're starting to see these pockets. Every round you think smarter, more tactical, more strategic. Pick up where you left off with more improvements. Whatever you started doing good, start doing better the next round. Move your head in the pocket. Yeah, you see what I mean? When you're in the pocket, you move your head, you move your feet a little bit. Hands gotta be high though. Move your head a little side to side, weave. All right, look at his hands. Let him, keep him at the end of your jab, Levi, and then start working your counters off of that. Like F. Ten seconds. Work. Finish strong. Finish strong. Pick it up. Pick it up. Time. Good work. Good work. Good work. Good work. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, switch. Next one. Hurry up. Back of the neck. Hit the bag hard. Let's go. Up, 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 up. Get up, let's go. Up, up. Breathe out when you come up. Get up. Hands on the chest. Push down. Get down, get up. Let's go.